Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the InData Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. And today we're going to talk about using VoiceOver not for folks who have vision impairments or who are blind, but for folks who have learning disabilities to read books. VoiceOver is a program that's built into a lot of Apple devices, iPads, iPods, Macintosh computers, and things like that, and mostly used by folks who are blind or visually impaired. However, it occurred to me recently, and maybe I'm the last person to figure this out, but you can also use that for folks who need to have reading supports. So for example, I'm going to go into the Settings tab on the iPad here. If I click on Settings, I go to General, then I go down to almost to the bottom to Accessibility. There's an option called VoiceOver, and I'm going to turn VoiceOver on, and it'll start reading things right away.
Settings.
Now, most folks are going to use this to navigate the operating system and to read settings and things like that, maybe emails, but it can be used in a way that will help folks who have learning disabilities. So,
Messages.
for example, if I go
Double
into
tap to Books folder, 7 apps.
I'll go into Books.
Double tap to Opening Books folder, Books, iBooks. Double tap to iBooks, Library, button.
And we've got Winnie the Pooh here up and running on the screen. And if I do a double swipe down, it'll read the whole screen to me.
Library, button. Table of Contents, button. Winnie the Pooh, Brightness, button. Fonts, button. Search, button. Add bookmark, button. Image. 10 bees fly through the air. First of all, he said to himself, that buzzing noise means something. You don't get a buzzing noise like that. Just buzzing and buzzing, without its...
And so for folks who are blind or visually impaired, that's generally how they're going to access it. But you can also point at things. Let's say I'm a student who struggles with understanding words, and I don't know what this word is, B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G. I can touch it with my finger.
There's a buzzing noise. Somebody's making a buzzing.
And it's going to read the line of the word that I touch.
Noise. And the only reason for making a buzzing noise that 10 bees fly through the air. Image.
And some books are tagged in such a way that the images are readable as well.
Who stares straight up in the air? Image.
And so, although VoiceOver is used generally by folks who are visually impaired, I think this is a really interesting way for folks who just need a little bit of multimodal feedback for reading supports to access books and other content on their iOS device. So that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the InData Project in Indiana.